Looking for the best lens cleaning solution but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best lens cleaning solution based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. ZEISS is a trusted name in optics, and their lens care pack delivers on that promise. With 2 streak-free sprays and a set of reusable microfiber cloths, you'll be able to keep your lenses looking their best. It's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable and effective cleaning solution for their eyeglasses or camera lenses. Number 4. The KNF Concept 4-in-1 Kit is a great all-around cleaning solution for your camera and lenses. The soft air blower, microfiber cloths, and cleaning pen make it easy to get into tight spaces and remove stubborn dirt. It's perfect for anyone who wants a convenient and effective cleaning kit. Number 3. This 14-in-1 kit is a powerhouse for cleaning your camera and lenses. With a combination of air blower, cleaning pen, brush, and microfiber cloths, you'll be able to tackle even the toughest dirt and grime. It's perfect for serious photographers who need a comprehensive cleaning solution. Number 2. If you're a photographer, this Altura photo cleaning kit is a must-have. It's got everything you need to keep your camera and lenses in top condition, from a gentle cleaning spray to a precision brush and microfiber cloths. It's professional grade, yet affordable. Number 1. This magic spray from Nano is a game-changer for keeping your glasses and screens smudge-free. Its gentle, silicone-free formula is safe for coated lenses and leaves no residue. It's perfect for anyone who wants a quick and easy cleaning solution. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.